So we came to the skate park because we wanted to slide into the bowl. And we get here, it's completely flooded. So we're about to go head back to Luke's, get some shorts, and we're jumping in. We're hitting up Ollie's first. We're gonna get us a little trash board so we can skate at the park. Why not? What do you think about that, Blake?
I think it's gonna be fun.
Imagine all the boards are gone.
Oh, that'd be bad.
Yo, they got a ton of new stuff.
Oh my god. Oh shoot, they almost got out of boards.
I hope they got a good cruiser.
Oh, they just rearranged it.
Yeah. What is that? This is the board we're getting? MTV
It's only
board.
$8.
It's actually sick.
Should I buy this?
$20
to wear it.
Yeah, buy that. We're gonna get that though. We got it. Oh yeah, no, you're not getting that. I gotta hit a rock to fakie off the quarter pipe. Yo, you actually got it.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Alright, let's go. Oh!
Cameraman never dies.
Alright, let's go. Hey, we're here. Dried up a little bit, but I don't think this dried up at all. We'll see. Oh yeah, no. I mean, it did a little bit. Not much though. We're still gonna hit it. Why can't I stick it? Board's actually not too bad. I like it. Oh no, Blake. Go. Oh my god.
Damn, that's cool! Ah!
It's my turn now. About to take it. Hey, let me skate real quick. Yo! I know you're not gonna try that.
Hey, Luke, are you shaking anymore?
No, I'm chilling.
Hey, hit an ollie, Blake.
Oh my god, I just pulled the water out of my ear.
Yeah, let me get this. Now you got this. Just lean into it. Lean into it.
It's too cool.
Lean into it. See, even Blake's cheering you on. Just hit it. Lean. Lean into it. Down. Just protect your head. Yo, that was perfect. He's gonna try to ride the wall again. Oh. Hey, you had it for a little bit. Alright, ready? Go. Hit that.
Damn. Go on the other side, Luke. It might
Hey,
be
let me try. Hold this.
Okay.
Hold on, let me get up here. That was tough. Hey, you about to drop in?
I just did it. I did. I'm just scared to. I'm not gonna.
Drop in, you got that.
I just did it.
This might be a bad idea. All right, you ready?
Oh, fuck.
What is he doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You good?
Meditation.
That worked. We make our return. Oh, the bowl's crusty. It's drained, but it's crusty now. Ew. You left your board. Take it.